A Christmas Product Guide. Chapter 1. Christmas Products for Sale. Christmas Trees for Sale. RealChristmasTrees.org, National Christmas Tree Association. ChristmasTrees.org, 800-547-2842, Pennsylvania Christmas Tree Growers Association. AllSeasonTrees.com. AlpineFarms.com. ChristmasTree-tree.com, 800-581-3230. ChristmasTrees.on.ca, Christmas Tree Farmers. ChristmasTreeWW.com, 866-287-2483. ChristTree.org, Christmas Tree Business. Christmas Product Websites. Books about Christmas are at number 394.2663 or GT4986 at the library. Camdens.com. ChristIAN-HOMEMAKING.com/budgetchristmasgifts.html. Christmas.com. ChristmasBarn.com. ChristmasDecor.net, 800-687-9551. ChristmasTreasures.com. ChristmasDepot.com, 877-353-5263. ChristmasHub.com. ChristmasInMaine.com. ChristmasInTheAttic.com. ChristmasUSA.com. Kloss.com. CountrysAmplerStore.com. Elfster.com. MagicLight.net, 800-465-4569. MaineHolidayWreaths.com. MERRY-CHRISTMAS.com. MERRY-CHRISTMAS.com. FRE-CHRISTMAS-CARDS-ONLINE.com. FRE-CHRISTMAS.com/ChristmasGuards. NORTH-POLE.org. OperationLetrToSanta.com, Letters to Santa. SantaClaus.com. ScottishChristmas.com. SCChristmasBazaar.com. SecretSanta.com. TheChristmasPantry.com. VillageScenarios.com. Christmas Products for Sale. Bronner's Christmas Wonderland. Frankenmuth, me. 800-361-6736. Bronners.com. ChristmasPlace.com. 800-357-2682. 800-445-3396. DEPARTMENT56.com. 800 Littown. Faith Mountain CO. POG 199. Sperryville, Virginia 22740. 800-822-7238. FaithMontaigne.com. Christmas Decorations. Fingerhut.com. 800-233-3588. FirstChristmasStore.com. Smethport, Pennsylvania 16749. 800-841-2721. Incredible Christmas Place. 800-357-2682. ChristmasPlace.com. Inspirations. POG 2659. Omaha, Nebraska 68103. 800-228-2269. 800-228-0475. Oriental.com. Radkoshop.com. 888-887-2356. Christmas Wreaths for Sale. MaineHolidayWreaths.com. VermontWreath.com.